Our Hiligaynon word for the day is 𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢. 𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢. When we say 𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢, it means pouting, to pout, or to thrust out the lips and avert one's face in displeasure, disgust, or disapproval. 𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢. Let us have the following sample sentences using the Hiligaynon word 𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢. Hindi ka mag-𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢. That means don't pout or don't sulk. Hindi ka mag-𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢. Giniyam-iran niya ako. That means he or she curled his or her lips at me in disgust. Giniyam-iran niya ako. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, 𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢, which means pouting, to pout, or to thrust out the lips and avert one's face in displeasure, disgust, or disapproval. 𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.